Okay, so basically, this is what you see a lot of times in the printing industry, is a foreign object, whether it be a nut, a bolt, in this case a needle bearing, it's come loose and it's got into the machine while the machine was running. And you can see the impact damage. It's right in the middle of the image area. And so what we want to do is we want to restore this area back to the original tolerance. Now you can see the area has been built up, overbuilt, and what we have to do now is we have to grind this area back, being careful that we don't get out into the parent material of the cylinder and create a low spot. So we're going to go real easy, and we're going to eventually take this all off, and we'll show you in a few minutes what it looks like when it's finally taken down. Okay, so now we've ground the area back, and I want you to come in here and take a look. We've taken out all the high material, and what we have to be especially careful of is that we want to make sure that this area is actually below the original finished surface of the cylinder. This is hard chrome plated. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to double check this with a block and relieve it underneath the original tolerance. That way when we go to electroplate it, we can plate it back up to the original surface height. So I'm going to double check this with a block. So now I'm right where I want to be, and we're going to go ahead and start to electroplate this. So we're about halfway through this application on this repair. Okay, so right now what we're going to do is we're going to start the plating process. And we're going to go ahead and pre-clean this area, then pre-plate it, and then I'm going to use a little bit of copper to take out some of the fine scratches and also put a good base down for adhesion for the chrome when we go to the chrome. So we're going to go ahead and start now. Okay, so now we're going to copper to pre-plate the area a little bit and take out some of the fine scratches.
What are we doing here, Kev?
Right now, we're flowing the chrome cap on here, and we're finishing the plating. The last thou and a half of chrome cap going over the area that we repaired. And then we'll dial indicate it, and then buff it and polish it. And you'll get to see it when it's all done. Okay, so we just finished plating with the chrome cap. So if you want to move in and take a look, you'll see what the area looks like after it's been chrome capped before we polish and buff it and do our final measurements. This area right in here, if you see these target marks, that's basically where the damage used to be. And so now we'll go ahead and buff and polish that and dial indicate it into our final measurement.